How to upload landscape video on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload landscape video on your Instagram Reels. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Instagram app on your device. So simply open the Instagram. And now after you open the Instagram with your account, you'll got such an interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on the plus icon. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the options like reel. So simply you have to go the option reel, and now from there you'll have to select that landscape video whom you want to upload on Instagram Reels. So simply I'm selecting this one. Okay, so after you upload the landscape video, you'll be able to like add something music, and from here you can also add the some text. So you can as usual do the settings on your preference. So after you done this from here, you'll have to just tap on the next option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Okay, so now from here you'll be able to write a caption and adding the hashtag, and now you can also tag the people or add your location, or you can also go the options like audience. So from here you can set your audience. And now after you're done from here, you'll have to just tap on this share icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this share option. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully uploaded the landscape video on my Instagram Reels. So likewise, you can also upload the landscape video on this Instagram Reels. So this is the process to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.